Let's explore how our retractable screen doors can transform your home. Hi, I'm Julia with Apollo Screen and Shade here in Las Vegas. We've installed sliding door screens like this one thousands of times, and customers keep telling us the same thing. They trust the difference our own team makes, from measuring to install. No more jumping the track or dragging like your old slider screen. Your door deserves an upgrade it's truly earned. Apollo screens glide smooth and open with a handle that just feels solid in your hand. Quality you can feel in every movement. The mesh is so clear it practically disappears. Bugs stay out, the breeze comes in, and your view stays perfect. Every screen is custom fit for your exact opening, factory direct, with a smooth glide that never slams or sticks. Homeowners trust the difference our own team makes, from professional measuring to expert installation. Ready for a better slider experience? Visit our Henderson showroom today and see the quality for yourself.